Gia hug. My poor cow's getting old. She's not giving much milk this year. I'm afraid the butter's going to be scarce. Go out. Oh yeah, it's Belak. She's as mossick as the devil himself. Mary Van Eagan claimed she put the evil eye on her horse. Oh. Hekastai, Belak. Camera Highland now.
Oh, and yummy Donna, I can't score stack 'em.
Jadahor.
Well, I'm glad to see you're making butter because I came for that milk.
Mommy Dooley, Belak, I'm sorry, but we barely have enough for ourselves. Our cow is getting old.
Oh, God, Gorst, you're so greedy. Your family has more than they're going to use all winter. Give me that milk or I'll put the butchock on you.
Butchock? Bashir. I don't believe in the butchock. I don't believe in that.
Believe in it, do you? Well, what's your oldest son's name? The one that's out at sea. Donald, isn't it?
He's far away. You can't harm him.
Really? You give me that milk or I'll put the... sink his ship.
Shoot, Maha. You don't scare me.
Marvat the Erkuan Gunjeju Foa. Marvat the Erkuan Gunjeju Foa. Marvat the Erkuan Gunjeju Foa. Marvat the Erkuan Gunjeju Foa.
Stop! Here, take the milk and go.
You